Hi friends, and welcome to the first day of introductions for Mama Elephant's November 2025 release. Today we are introducing Concertgoers and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as the You Rock creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the Concertgoers stamp set first. There is a bunch of Concertgoers. We have a rig with lighting and the coordinating dies for that. We have these dies that cut out the smaller words. And in a minute you will see we also have a large Rock On sentiment included with the dies for this set. The Rock On sentiment is in the same style as the You Rock creative cuts. We have You Rock, You Are a Rock Star, and Party Like a Rock Star. For my card today, I will be using the B2B arches as a frame for my card. I cut two separate pieces of watercolor cardstock using the largest die in the B2B arches. On the bottom piece, I stamped the Concertgoers in a waterproof ink. And I used the matching creative cuts to cut them out. Here you can see how I intend to use both pieces of the B2B arches together. Instead of my usual Copic coloring, I chose to do watercolor again. I chose some colors that I wanted to use beforehand. I'm starting with these torches that the Concertgoers are holding, and I'm coloring those in a light yellow color. I'm filling in the rest of the torches with a darker yellow color. I also chose the darker yellow color to outline my different heads of the Concertgoers and some of the shoulders and hands. Because I thought that was where the light would hit and it will give some contrast to my image. Next, I'm filling in the rest of my image with a bright blue color. To give my image more depth, I'm using a very dark blue color to do some of the shadowing. And that's my image almost finished. I did some touch-ups off screen and also added some white gel pen accents. Now it's time to create the background for our card. I'm using the upper side of the watercolor paper, and I'm using squeezed lemonade as well as fossilized amber and wild honey distress ink and distress oxide ink. Next, I wanted to create some rays of light. For that, I'm using this Heffy Doodle stencil. I wanted a little more contrast, so I'm using Spiced Marmelade Distress Oxide ink for this. To create some more contrast, I'm splattering my panel with this gold and orange watercolor ink, as well as with a white acrylic ink. I cut out a standard white card base and I made it to fit my arch using the largest B2B arches die. And now we can start to put together our background and the image that we watercolored. I chose the Party Like a Rockstar sentiment from the You Rock Creative Cuts, and I am using a lighter orange color behind the white cutout to create some contrast. Now all we have to do is add our sentiment, and we're calling this card done. So that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I will see you tomorrow for the second day of introductions. This release is available from the 15th of November. Bye!